Ah! Who was that? What? What's happening? Who was that?
I don't know. Wait a minute. Take and play Thomas is missing.
No, it was the best brand. What shall we do? Silence. We'll figure this out soon. We have to go find him now. Don't worry, I know just the guy who can help. Wait a minute, are you leaving? Yes, I am. Goodbye. Is he coming back? Oh wait, no, there he is. Alright, guys, I'm back, and I brought somebody who can help. Really? Who? Say hello to Adventures Thomas. Adventures Thomas? Oh hey bro, I haven't seen you in a long time. Nor have I. Wait, you guys know each other? Of course. We basically are just the same model, just with different couplings. Adventures, I want you to take this. Sodor line caboose, sir? Yes, a Sodor line caboose. I implemented some instruments in it so it can record any audio. Alright. Hey, let me just turn it on. So you sure you're okay? Yep, I'm fine. Remember, you're looking for a red diesel named Wilson. Don't worry, boss, I'm on it. Now if I were a big red diesel, where would I be? Wait a minute, what's that up ahead? Of course, a big empty warehouse. There's gotta be something in here. Yes, I've got eyes on them. Look, I've got everything under control. Hey, who's the boss here? Uh-huh, exactly. Is that all you wait, what's that you say? Uh-huh. Okay. And he's coming here, you say? Well, you've got an idea. Well, what's your idea then? Uh-huh. Okay. Who is he talking to? Yep, alright. Well, goodbye. Thomas, you are screwed. Welp, better get back to work. Wait a minute, who are you? Uh-oh, time to get out of here. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no. Huh, you thought I didn't have a plan? I set up this fail switch so that if there's any intruders, it will purposely derail them. How despicable. Now, if you'll excuse me, there's some security cameras I need to attend to.